A 40-question English challenge on spelling, tenses, and word meanings. Try it now and see how well you do. Choose the closest meaning of fire. Answer D. Blaze. Choose the synonym of frugal. Answer A. Economical. Choose the antonym of anarchy. Answer B. Order. What is the opposite of solid? Answer A. Liquid. What does run the gauntlet mean? Answer C. Endure attacks. What does over-egg the pudding mean? Answer D. Overdue. What is the plural form of battery? Answer B. Batteries. What is the plural form of index? Answer A. Indices. Fill in the blank. Answer D. You should eat more vegetables if you want to be healthy. Complete the sentence. Answer B. He was too tired to continue working. Choose the past form of bind. Answer C. Bound. What is the past form of drink? Answer D. Drank. Choose the past form of wait. Answer A. Waited. How do you spell this word? Answer B. Essential. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Helpfully. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Dispute. What is the antonym of natural? Answer D. Artificial. Opposite of dampen? Answer A. Intensify. What is the antonym of constitute? Answer D. Dissolve. Choose a synonym for event. Answer C. Occasion. Choose the synonym for maintain. Answer D. Sustain. Find the best synonym of denote. Answer B. Indicate. What does throw in the sponge mean? Answer C. Surrender. What does keep your chin up mean? Answer B. Stay positive. What does go down in flames mean? Answer A. Fail badly. How do you write plural of bacterium? Answer C. Bacteria. What is the plural of crossroads? Answer D. Crossroads. Choose the plural of schema. Answer A. Schemas. What is the plural form of ceremony? Answer D. Ceremonies. Choose the past form of hold. Answer A. Held. How do you form the past of catch? Answer D. Caught. What is the past of notify? Answer B. Notified. What is the past tense of complicate? Answer A. Complicated. Fill in the blank. Answer C. Had they followed the instructions, the result would be better. Complete the phrase. Answer B. She admitted making the mistake. Choose the correct preposition. Answer C. It is the report that needs urgent attention. Find the correct option. Answer A. Exception. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Dramatize. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Competent. Spot the correct spelling. Answer B. Miserable. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.